Good morning, everybody. It's Monday. Today's what? The 12th of December. We got about 4-6 inches of snow overnight. And we have a little winter wonderland here. Walking the kiddos. Here comes Mr. Sun. Here's, can I see it? Love Bug. And then, oh, Love Bug, by the way, is Prego. Fiesta and Ron. Ron is my walking partner. Every morning, rain or shine. No rain. Snow or shine. We don't walk when it's raining. Crazy dog. Go see if I'm in that corner over there, Lake. Lake, I'm all the way over there. Go, 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 go look for me. Yes, I'm over there. Go. So anyway, she's wired for 220. But anyway, look how pretty. Oh man, now my glasses are all fogged up. But there's someone going up that way, sir. Oh, yeah. But it's beautiful and cold. We woke up with 14, huh? Yep. 14 Fahrenheit. That's about -10 Celsius. So it's cold, but it's all right. Okay, see ya. Did it stop? No. Wait, what's going on?